Welcome to today's episode at the pharmacy. Navigating through a pharmacy can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're in need of quick relief. Let's dive right into a common scenario many of us face, dealing with a sore throat. That scratchy, irritating discomfort. Imagine yourself in the pharmacy aisle, scanning shelves, when you're approached by a friendly pharmacist. "Hi," you ask, "do you have something for a sore throat?" The pharmacist nods, knowingly. They've seen many customers in your predicament. "Yes," the pharmacist replies, "we have lozenges and spray." Your mind races. Lozenges or spray? What's the best choice? So you ask the all-important question, which one works better? The pharmacist explains, the spray helps faster, but it's stronger. A quick decision time. Sore throats demand prompt action after all. After considering the options, you respond, "Okay, I'll take the spray." The pharmacist smiles, acknowledging your choice. But before you leave, they offer a bit of extra advice. "Great, drink warm tea too, it helps." A holistic approach to feeling better is always welcomed. Just imagine the soothing warmth of a nice cup of tea complementing the fast-acting spray, easing your discomfort. So with your pharmacy visit now complete, you're equipped with both effective medication and practical tips to help you on your way to recovery. Remember, resolving everyday health concerns can be straightforward, especially with the right guidance. For more pharmacy tips and health advice, remember to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you never miss a helpful video. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, and until next time, keep warm and take care.